Skills Academy Wales is a work-based learning partnership consisting of 14 training providers delivering apprenticeships across the whole of Wales in a wide variety of sector areas.
I am so pleased to be back here at the Waith campus of the NPTC group of colleges for yet another awards evening, and it's great to see people awarded, rewarded for all their hard work. And I can tell you tonight, having read the stories and read the nominations, not one person who walks on that stage to receive an award tonight won't deserve it. They will thoroughly deserve it. And how fantastic and encouraging for them. Many at the start of a journey which hopefully will lead to a very, very successful career. So well done to all our award winners. It's a fantastic evening, and we love to celebrate talent and ability here. Of course, the whole evening is organised by the Skills Academy Wales. They do fantastic work to encourage apprentices and have provided all the awards that they'll receive tonight. So well done to them, and well done to all the winners.
Tonight's awards evening allows us to celebrate the outstanding achievements of our apprentices, and over the course of this evening we will hear firsthand from the award winners as they share their incredible journey of how the apprenticeship programme has supported their knowledge and skills development. And I'm sure we will hear how the apprenticeship programme has impacted and changed their lives for the better. The awards evening will also enable us to acknowledge the enormous contribution of employers. Without their commitment and contribution, apprentices would not be afforded these life-changing opportunities. For those apprentices receiving an award this evening, this recognition will enhance their future career and employment opportunities, whether that will be securing promotion within their existing company or inspire them to continue training and progress onto higher level learning. The awards also present employers with a great opportunity to showcase the talent of their apprentices and the impact apprentices are making to their businesses. As the lead of Skills Academy Wales, I am proud and honoured to be able to host the awards evening, and I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of the award winners and thank everyone who has contributed to the journey of each and every apprentice we have on programme.